In the fast-paced world of field service management, efficient operations are crucial to maintaining customer satisfaction and maximizing revenue. FieldEdge is one of the most comprehensive field service management software platforms designed to help businesses manage everything from scheduling and dispatching to customer service and invoicing. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, FieldEdge aims to optimize your field operations with real-time data access, automated workflows, and seamless communication tools. This tutorial will walk you through the key features, benefits on using FieldEdge, highlighting how it can streamline your field service processes and help your team perform at their best. So for its key features and benefits, first is the real-time dispatching and scheduling. FieldEdge allows you to assign jobs and schedule service appointments directly from your dashboard. Real-time updates ensure that technicians are always up to date with the latest assignments and changes. This prevents scheduling conflicts and ensures efficient job allocation for technicians. Another key feature is the mobile access for technicians. The FieldEdge mobile app empowers field technicians with access to job details, customer history, and work orders while on the go. Technicians can update job statuses, log service details, and collect customer signatures from their mobile devices. This enhances technician efficiency by providing all job-related information directly on their mobile devices. Another key feature is the customer management and CRM. FieldEdge features a comprehensive customer management system that tracks all customer interactions, job history, and communication. You can store customer information, create profiles, and track ongoing service requests. This provides a 360-degree view of customer interactions, improving customer relationships and repeat business. Another key feature is the invoicing and payments. FieldEdge integrates service billing and invoicing directly into the platform, allowing businesses to create and send invoices quickly. Technicians can also collect payments on site, reducing delays and improving cash flow. This speeds up payment processing and reduces administrative workload associated with invoicing. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. The platform's reporting tools provide in-depth insights into business performance, including technician productivity, job completion times, and revenue tracking. You can use this data to identify areas for improvement and make better informed business decisions. This helps businesses track performance metrics and optimize operations for better efficiency. Another key feature is the service agreements and contracts. FieldEdge allows you to create and manage service agreements and contracts with customers, ensuring long-term revenue opportunities. The software automates renewal reminders and service contract management. This provides a steady stream of recurring revenue and improves customer retention. Another key feature is the integration with accounting and inventory tools. FieldEdge integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, as well as inventory management tools. This ensures seamless synchronization between field service operations and financial processes. This simplifies financial management and inventory tracking for more streamlined operations. So, why is FieldEdge a great choice? FieldEdge is an excellent choice for businesses in need of a comprehensive field service management solution. With its easy to use interface, mobile access for technicians, and robust scheduling features, FieldEdge ensures that field service teams can operate with maximum efficiency, minimizing downtime and optimizing job scheduling. The customer management and CRM features allow businesses to track customer interactions in real time, ensuring that teams can provide exceptional service while improving customer relationships and increasing repeat business. Moreover, FieldEdge seamless integration with invoicing, payments, accounting, and inventory management tools ensures a unified solution that reduces administrative burdens and streamlines operations across multiple departments. So, for businesses seeking to grow and scale, FieldEdge service agreement management features provide an opportunity for sustained revenue generation through recurring service contracts, creating a long term relationship with customers. So basically, FieldEdge is a powerful and comprehensive field service management tool that provides a range of features designed to optimize field operations, improve customer service, and enhance business performance. With its real time dispatching, job scheduling, and mobile access for technicians, and customer management tools, FieldEdge is an excellent choice for companies looking to streamline their field service processes. So, whether you need to manage customer relationships or integrate financial and inventory data, FieldEdge has you covered. So, by leveraging FieldEdge's comprehensive feature set, businesses can increase operational efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and boost profitability. It is a must have solution for businesses looking to take their field service management to the next level and stay ahead of the competition in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.